Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting product to unbox and review for you. It's the Amcrest AI Turret AP/PoE camera, a feature-packed security camera designed for outdoor use. Give a like and subscribe, and let's dive right into it. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, the camera comes in a sturdy box with the Amcrest branding. First, we have the user manual and quick start guide, which will help us set up and configure the camera. Next, we have the necessary mounting hardware, including screws and brackets, allowing for easy installation. Moving on, we find the camera itself securely packaged with foam padding. Underneath, this camera requires a PoE injector or switch, which unfortunately is not included in the package and needs to be purchased separately. So make sure you have one handy before setting up the camera, or you can use a 12 volts adapter like this. Finally, we have the waterproof cap for the Ethernet cable, ensuring the camera remains protected against the elements. Overall, the unboxing experience is quite straightforward, and the packaging seems to have done a good job of keeping everything safe during transit. Now that we've unboxed the camera, let's take a closer look at its design and features. The Amcrest AI Turret IP5M-T1277EB-AI camera sports a sleek black exterior, giving it a modern and sophisticated look. One notable feature is its dual illumination night vision. The camera combines full night color warm white LED and IR LED night vision, providing enhanced visibility even in complete darkness. Another impressive aspect of this camera is its AI capabilities, which means it can distinguish between humans, vehicles, and other objects. This helps to minimize false alerts and ensure that you only receive notifications for relevant events. The camera captures video in stunning 5-megapixel resolution at 30 frames per second, delivering sharp and detailed footage. It offers a wide viewing angle, allowing you to cover a larger area with a single camera. In terms of durability, the camera features a heavy-duty metal weatherproof housing with an IP67 rating. This means it can withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring reliable performance even during storms. If you don't have a PoE injector or switch like me, you can power the camera using a 12-volt adapter. Simply connect the adapter to a power outlet and plug the router for network connectivity. Once the camera is powered and connected, you can add it to the Amcrest View app on your smartphone. Just open the app, tap on Add Device, and then scan the QR code located on the cable of the camera. The app will guide you through the setup process and allow you to access the camera remotely. The app provides convenient features such as motion alert notifications, allowing you to stay informed about any activity detected by the camera. You can also review footage and adjust settings easily from your mobile device. For those who prefer to view and manage footage on a computer, the camera is compatible with the Amcrest Surveillance Pro software for Windows and Mac, as well as the popular Blue Iris Professional software. It also supports storage to a micro SD card, up to 256 GB, or you can use your PC like ANVR or the optional Amcrest Cloud server. Now, let's talk about the performance of the camera. The video quality is impressive, delivering clear and vibrant footage during both day and night. Overall, the Amcrest camera offers advanced security features, durable construction, and user-friendly connectivity options. With its sleek design and powerful performance, it's definitely worth considering for your outdoor surveillance needs. That's it for our unboxing and review of the Amcrest AI PoE camera. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.